Nigeria's major carrier, Airpeace, has denied the report that any of its flights was involved in an air crash, noting that artificial intelligence (AI) was used to generate a crashed aircraft in the airline's livery. Airpeace Airline has described the report circulating on social media about a purported plane crash involving one of its aircrafts in the Western Sahara region as false and malicious. This was contained in a statement signed by the airline's head of corporate communications, Dr. Ejike Nduulo, on Friday in Lagos State. According to the statement, the allegation that the crash resulted in fatalities, including the death of a prominent individual, is false. We categorically state that this information is false and malicious. This is a deliberate attempt to spread misinformation and tarnish the impeccable safety record of Airpeace. It is important to note that the author of this post has a history of disseminating false and alarming information about non-existent tragic incidents. It said, according to the statement, the circulating images accompanying the false report are AI generated and do not reflect a real incident. We urge the public to disregard this malicious disinformation and rely on official channels for accurate information regarding Airpeace operations, it advised. The news agency of Nigeria, NAN, reported that on December 26, 2024, a user on X had alleged that a crash involving the airline's aircraft had claimed the lives of 50 persons. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more real-time updates and exclusive videos.